Hello, moneymakers. It's festive season in the United States, which means guests, family, noise, and kids everywhere. We had lots of guests at our house for dinner. Every 10 minutes, the parents was saying the same lines. He doesn't listen. She's always whining. We can't control screen time. He talks back like an adult. And then someone said the most dangerous sentence. Maybe we are just bad parents. I was shocked to see this reaction, but I realized this is a big problem that every parents face. I went to YouTube to search for a solution. To my surprise, I came across this channel named Parentitude. This channel speaks to parents like a calm therapist. Simple titles, simple structure, insane retention. They got around 50,000 subscribers by just uploading 46 videos only. The best part is that this channel is just 2 months old. They uploaded their first video on 31st October, and they reached 3.5 million views already. As per Social Blade, they are earning up to $500 to $5,000 per month with just AdSense revenue. These results are insane, and it is a clear sign that there is a demand for content on this topic, which needs to be fulfilled. But when I looked at other channels in the same niche, they were also performing well. Check out this channel, Parenting Hacks. They got 62,000 subscribers with 200 uploads, and they are earning up to $1,000 to $3,000 per month based on the views count. After looking into these stats, I have made my mind to share this niche for free with my audience as a Christmas gift. I went to my room, locked myself for 3 days, and created a full blueprint on how to find topics, generate scripts, voiceovers, visual and world-class editing as well. So grab a cup of coffee and hit that like button and watch this video till the end. I am about to reveal the best niche to work on YouTube. Let's get started. Alright, let's start the video creation process. First, we need to understand this niche properly, and for that we'll use ChatGPT. You don't have to do heavy research yourself. ChatGPT can break down everything for you in detail. I've already made a detailed prompt for this and I added it inside my Google Doc. You'll get the link when you join my free group. So your job is simple. Just copy that prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. After that, copy the link of the reference channel you want to study and paste it in ChatGPT too. And you'll see ChatGPT will analyze even the smallest details for you, like which titles are working and why, which thumbnails are getting clicks and why, what content style they repeat, what strategy they are following consistently. Then read the analysis properly and understand it. This step is very important because if you skip this and start making random videos without a strategy, the chances are your videos won't perform well. Once you understand the pattern, everything becomes much easier. You stop guessing and start creating content with clarity and confidence. This is how you build videos that actually connect with people and grow your channel slowly but surely. Now, there is one more important thing we need to understand. If you look closely at this channel, you will notice how clean and professional it looks visually. Everything feels connected. That is because they are using brand colors consistently. Those colors make their channel look premium, trustworthy, and different from others. That is exactly why we should do the same for our channel. First, you need to choose your own brand colors. These colors will be used again and again in your thumbnails, backgrounds, and even in small elements like text or highlights. This is how your channel slowly starts to feel recognizable. To do this, take a few screenshots from the reference channel and upload them into ChatGPT. Then simply write something like they are using these colors as their brand. ChatGPT will analyze those colors and suggest a color system for your channel. This helps you build a strong identity that not only makes your content look professional, but also helps you stand out and build authority over time. Now, once you've chosen your brand colors, the next step is to start creating content. For that, the first thing we need is strong video topics. Topics that parents are actually struggling with. Topics where parents are actively searching for answers. And at the same time, the topic should be clickable and emotionally engaging. We don't want random ideas. We want topics that solve real problems. To find those topics, you can start by studying reference channels like Parentitude, Parenting Hacks, and Emma Hubbard. These channels already show you what is working. When you look at their videos, you'll start noticing patterns. You'll see which topics perform well and which ones don't. This gives you clarity on what parents are actually watching. Now, if you don't want to do all this manually, You can take help from AI, especially ChatGPT. I've already created a detailed prompt for this, and I've added it to my Google Doc. You just need to copy that prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. That prompt is designed in a way that it understands everything clearly. It will give you video topics that are not only searchable, but also clickable. Along with that, it will suggest thumbnail text, thumbnail ideas, and also explain why that idea will work. As you can see, ChatGPT can easily generate 15 to 20 strong viral ideas in one go with full clarity. This way, you can generate unlimited video ideas without stress, without guessing, and without wasting time. You just need to follow the system. But wait, before we move ahead, I have created a full course on how to succeed on YouTube with AI. And this course have everything that you need to start your YouTube journey. In my 10 years of experience, I have built several channels for me and my clients, and everything that I learned in these 10 years is shared on this course. You will also get group coaching calls every week from me directly, and a community of like-minded people whom you can network and grow your business. I'm giving away this coaching and courses at just $199 per year. You don't need to pay any monthly fees like other YouTube gurus. And also, I won't sell other teaching for higher price. You pay $199 and get access of my coaching and courses for a year. The link is in the description. Now, gets back to the video. Now, for the next step, you have two options. If you are comfortable using your own voice and recording it, that's actually a great choice. Your natural voice can build a very strong connection. But if you're not comfortable with that, or if you want consistency and clarity, then using an AI voice is completely fine. The important thing is this. The voice should sound natural, calm, and human. It should never feel robotic or artificial because parents immediately disconnect when a voice feels fake. For that, I personally use 11 Labs AI. You can go to 11 Labs and open the Voices section. From there, choose the language first. I usually select English for now. You can skip accent and category so you can explore more voice options freely. Next, choose the gender. I usually go with a female voice because most of the audience watching this type of content are mothers. A soft female voice often feels more comforting and relatable for them. Now, start listening to different voices. Take your time here. Don't rush this step. For example, I like the voice called Jessa because it feels calm, warm, and emotionally balanced. It suits this kind of parenting content very well. You can test a few voices and see which one feels right for your videos. Once you choose your voice, paste your script into the text box and generate the audio. Before generating, make sure to remove unnecessary spaces or awkward line breaks in your script. That helps the voice sound smoother and more natural. If you want even better quality, choose the V3 Alpha model. It usually generates two slightly different voice versions. Listen to both and pick the one that sounds more human and emotionally soft. When you find the right one, download it. This step is very important because your voice carries emotion. A robotic voice breaks connection, and many people instantly lose interest when they hear it. A natural voice helps your audience feel safe, calm, and connected. Once your voiceover is ready, this step is complete. Now we're ready to move on to the next part of the process. Now we come to the next step, editing. Before we start editing, we should first study the style of the reference channels and see how they are presenting their videos. If you look at a channel like Parenting Hacks, they are mostly using AI images with subtitles. It is simple and clean. Then you have channels like Emma Hubbard, where she shows her face and also uses stock footage and images to support her points. And the third style, which has grown very fast, is using AI-generated video scenes. After analyzing all three, one thing is very clear. The channel using AI-generated videos feels more engaging to watch. And honestly, that is a big reason why it grew so quickly. It is not only giving information, it is also giving visuals that keep people interested. So instead of only using images and subtitles, we can follow the same strategy. We will generate AI video scenes related to our script and use them during editing. This makes the final video feel more premium and keeps retention higher. For this, I have prepared a detailed master prompt that helps ChatGPT generate video prompts for you. You just need to copy that prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. One important thing here, do not paste your full script at once. Give your script paragraph by paragraph. First, paste the first paragraph and ChatGPT will give you 5 video prompts for that part. Then, paste the second paragraph and it will give 5 prompts for that part. Doing it in parts gives much more accurate results. If you paste everything together, ChatGPT sometimes mixes things up and the prompts become less clear or less accurate. Now, once we have the script ready, it's time to move to the next step, which is video generation. For this part, you can use any AI video tool you like, but I personally use 11 Labs because it gives both voice generation and video generation in one place. This way, you don't need to buy or manage multiple tools. Everything stays simple and smooth. Inside 11 Labs, you will find many video generation options. You can choose from models like V3, Sora, V3 Pro, Kling 2.0, Kling 2.6, and more. You can also generate videos with lip sync if you want. This flexibility makes it very powerful. So what I do is simple. I copy the prompt that ChatGPT generated for me and paste it directly into 11 Labs. Then, I choose Kling 2.66 as my model and select the 16:9 ratio because that works best for YouTube. After that, I click Generate, and as you can see, the result looks really good. The video feels natural, emotional, and almost like real footage. It does not look artificial or distracting. Then I generate the next video in the same way. And again, the result comes out clean and engaging. You just repeat this process until all parts of your script are converted into video scenes. If you don't have enough budget to generate AI videos for the entire script, that's completely okay. You can mix both. Use AI videos for the most emotional or important parts, and use images for the rest. This still works very well and keeps your video visually interesting. That's how you complete the video creation step using AI while keeping everything natural, engaging, and professional. Alright, now let's move to the next step, which is editing. But before we start editing, there is one important thing we should do first, and that is choosing the background music. Go to the YouTube audio library and look for calm, soft background music. Something that feels peaceful and emotional, not loud or distracting. This kind of music helps the viewer feel safe and relaxed while watching your video. Now, let's move to editing. Before we move ahead, let me be very clear about one thing. Everything you are seeing in this video, you can do it yourself. That is why I'm explaining the full process openly. But I also know the reality. Not everyone has the time. Not everyone wants to deal with tools, prompts, testing, and mistakes. And not everyone wants to wait months just to understand what actually works. When I started, I thought doing everything alone was the only option. I watched tutorials, I tested ideas, I failed more times than I can count. What slowed me down was not knowledge, it was execution. That is why I created my Done For You program. If you want, you can hire me and my team to create videos for you. We are already running 10 to 20 YouTube channels, and AI Mask Man is one of them. These are real channels, real uploads, real results. Instead of you figuring everything out, we handle the work for you. We help you choose the right niche, set up your channel properly, create videos in formats that are already proven, and build a system that can scale over time. I have added a link below where you can book a free call with me. We will talk, understand your goal, and see if this makes sense for you. No pressure, no fake promises. Now, let's continue with the video. I personally use CapCut, but you can use any editing software you are comfortable with. Open CapCut and import everything you need. That includes your voiceover, background music, AI-generated videos, and images. First, drag your voice over into the timeline. Adjust the volume if needed so it sounds clear and soft, not too loud. After that, start adding your AI videos and images one by one, matching them with the voiceover. Try to sync the visuals naturally with what is being said. Don't rush this part. Let the visuals breathe. Once your visuals are placed, go to the text section. You'll find many text templates there. You can add short text wherever you want to highlight something important. For example, you can add small phrases like a hit, a push, or a grab. Make sure the text is clean and easy to read. You can also change the color and use your brand color so everything feels consistent. After that, add simple transitions between clips. Use soft ones like fade or mix. Avoid heavy or flashy transitions because they distract from the emotion. Simple transitions always work better for this kind of content. Next, go to Effects and add a light noise effect across the video. This adds a soft texture and makes the video feel more natural and cinematic. Keep it subtle, not strong. Then generate auto captions. Choose a clean and readable caption style. Avoid funky or playful fonts because this is an informative and emotional video. Your audience should be able to read comfortably without effort. Once that's done, add your background music and adjust the volume so it supports the voice, not overpowers it. Now your video is ready, just export it. But wait, there's still one very important thing left. The thumbnail. Without a good thumbnail, even the best video won't perform well. For that, I've already created a detailed prompt for thumbnail generation. You just need to copy that prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Don't forget to add your brand colors inside the prompt so your thumbnail matches your channel identity. After that, generate the image using the Nano Banana model in 11 Labs. Download the image you like the most. Then open Canva and choose a thumbnail template that fits your style. Upload your AI-generated image and set it as the background. Add the thumbnail text that ChatGPT suggested earlier. Adjust the font size and color according to your brand style. And that's it. This is how you create a complete parenting video using AI from script to final thumbnail in a simple and clean way.
Your voice rises just a little. You might feel embarrassed, startled, or suddenly unsure of yourself. You look at your child and think, "Why did you do that?" And somewhere deeper, a quieter thought appears. Is something wrong? If you have ever felt that moment, you are not alone, and you are not doing anything wrong. This moment is one of the hardest parts of parenting, not because the behavior is dangerous, but because it touches something inside us. It makes us worry about who our child is becoming. It makes us question whether we are doing enough, or whether we are somehow missing something important. Many parents carry quiet guilt around these moments. They wonder if they should be stricter, or softer, or more patient than they already are. But the truth is gentler than that. What you are seeing is not a failure. It is not a reflection of bad parenting, and it is not a sign that something is broken. It is communication. Just not the kind that uses words. When a toddler hits, it often looks like aggression. But what is really happening is much simpler and much more human. Your child is overwhelmed.